again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So today I have got a little package from Kredioo. So I think this is their fourth set that they've done. Fourth set of 12 colours. And this is their nail art gel. This is their liner gels. So this is their pastel collection. This is their latest one. I love it. Look at all them little cute balls. I like them. So this first number is L37. So yeah, this is a continuation from the first ever pack of liners that they did. Started with 01. So yeah, this is their fourth pack or third pack. I can't remember. But look how thin that brush is. It's just as thin as that white line I've got on my nail. They're really good thin little brushes actually. I do enjoy using them. So I'm just going to quickly swatch each colour. Just a quick swipe so you can see all the colours. I've got a 10% discount code for Kredioo, guys. But I'm not going to be leaving product links in my description box for Amazon anymore because, exciting, I have got my very own Amazon storefront now. So if you click on my Amazon storefront, you'll find all different things. There's going to be Kredioo is going to have its own link on there. So if you click on the Kredioo section of my Amazon store, you'll find these along with other recommendations. Everything on my Amazon is products I've either bought personally or I've reviewed them personally. There's nothing on there that I haven't tried myself. I wouldn't recommend something unless I've tried it myself. So yes, certainly head over and check out my new Amazon store. I'll be adding any offers and bargains that I come across. I'll be adding them weekly. So yeah, keep your eye out for that. Anyway, that's the colours. Aren't they pretty? So I'm going to go straight in with a design. I've pulled out a couple of my Kredioo gel polishes. This C01111, I think this is out of the pink collection or purple. And this milky white one is out of a pink collection. I didn't want a white. I've got a white from Kredioo, but I wanted to use this milky one. And I'm just going to do, on this pointer finger and pinky, I'm just going to do like a bit of a baby boomer or ombre using this pink at the top of the nail and the milky white on the tip of the nail. So just a nice thinnish coat of each colour. And I'm going to butt that white right up to that pink. And I'm going to use the Kredioo ombre brush. This brush came in a set of 8. They'll be on my Amazon storefront as well. It's a really nice set of brushes actually. This little set of brushes from Kredioo. It's a nice set. And I'm just going to swipe side to side and just blend them colours a little bit. They were quite easy to blend actually because they're quite pale. And I'm going to put a sprinkle of glitter on this ombre, so I wasn't too bothered about it being perfect. I am going to give that a second coat as well, exactly the same as what I've just done. And they're getting a 30-second cure. So I've done exactly the same on the pinky. This middle nail is going to have just 2 thin coats. Look how pigmented these colours are. They're really nice gel polishes. Yeah, I'm just going to do 2 thin coats on this middle nail, curing each coat for 30 seconds. And now onto this ring finger. Again, I'm going to use one of the Kredioo brushes out of the set. And this is it's like a long liner striper brush, isn't it? It's a bit of a thick striper brush. I'm just going to use this to separate. I want the left hand side of this nail to be done in this colour. So I'm just going to paint the majority of the nail with this brush because it is quite a thick liner. And then the detailer brush out of that kit also comes with a little dotting tool. There's 2 brushes in the kit. that come with a dotting tool on the end as well, which is really handy, especially for sets like this. The dotting tool comes in handy. So I'm going to give the pointer and pinky just a quick coat of the Kredioo base coat. I've not cured the base coat, I've left it wet, and I'm just going to put a little tiny little sprinkle, very very sparse sprinkle of this. It's just a iridescent, slightly transparent, small cut glitter. That was a mouthful. On the pointer and the pinky. I'm going to cure that glitter into place for 30 seconds so it stays where it is, and then I'm just going over it again with the base coat just to completely encapsulate that glitter and smooth the nails out. So what am I doing now? I'm just wiping a tacky layer off these nails so I could give them a buff, because I want to put some more lines on these nails. When you're doing lines, you need the nail to be completely smooth, or else your lines will look wobbly. So make sure your nails are nice and smooth before you put any lines on them. So I decided to just use the yellow and the blue. I think pastel yellow and pastel blue, I think they go really well together, especially this time of year. So on this nail that I've done half and half, I'm just going to do a quarter of it, the other half of the nail. Yeah, a quarter of it's going to be blue and a quarter of it's going to be yellow. You know what I mean. And I'm going to quickly give that blue a flash cure just so it doesn't bleed into this yellow. And then they'll get a full 30 seconds cure. So now using that same blue, I'm just going to do a little border around the free edge of this nail. So just starting where the nail comes off the tip, the free edge, just a little border around that nail. And I'm going to do exactly the same on the pinky using the yellow. Right, so I'm just going to give this stripy nail a matte top coat, because again I want to put some more artwork on it and I need a flat surface so that my lines and stuff are not lumpety bumpety. So this is it's like a little plaid petal brush. I'm not using that. I wanted the teeny tiny dotting tool on the tip of it, and I'm just going to do like half a circle made out of dots. These are going to be like little flowers. Yeah, it's like a tiny half a circle made out of dots. So I kind of do one at the top, one at the bottom like that, and then one on each side. Yeah, just like that. And I'm going to do blue ones on the pinky, and then I'm going to alternate the colours. I'm going to put a blue dot in the middle of the yellow flowers, and I'm going to put a yellow dot in the middle of these blue flowers. Why does this all sound so confusing in my head? But you can see what I'm doing. And it just turns them into really simple, pretty little flowers. Easiest flowers you could ever do, aren't they? Cute, I like them. So I've pulled out Kredioo's white liner gel. I have put it on my palette because this is quite detailed. I wanted to do a big flower, and to make sure I've got my petals even, I'm just doing a star. Just straight lines. Like, is it, how many points has it got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pointed star. And I'm just going to put a little blob using the dotting tool on the end of that line, and just turn them into teardrop shapes. Can you see? I hate explaining what I'm doing. Just turn each of those blobs that you've done. Use the gel polish that's in that blob you've done with the dotting tool, and just turn it into a teardrop. Bring it right into the centre like that. And I'm going to do that on every single line, and just plump them up a little bit, make them a little bit fatter. Ta-da! That's an easy way to do flowers as well, I think. And quickly, I'm just going to use that teeny tiny dotting tool, and I'm just going to do teeny tiny dots inside those petals using the blue and the yellow, just alternating the colours again. Teeny tiny little dots. That's going to go in the lamp and have a 30 seconds cure. So I'm going to get these nails finished now. I did initially go over these nails with the Kredioo top coat. It's quite a thick, it's not very thick, but it's quite a thick top coat. Brilliant for just evening out, again, smoothing out these nails. I wanted these nails matte, and matte top coats show up every last little lump and bump. So I've gave them a glossy top coat and I've gave them a little buff, but I totally didn't show you me matte top coating them, but they've had a matte top coat anyway. And I'm going to use some of the blue, white and yellow flowers, some little AB gems, and we're just going to get these nails decorated now. Yeah, can you see I've gave them a matte top coat, but I did use a thick glossy top coat first, just to get the nails smoothed out and evened out. So I'll just let you watch decorating these nails now, guys, and I'll be back at the end. There we go, guys, that is then finished. I love these. I love the length, and I love doing this length on my practice hand. I absolutely wouldn't wear this length, but I really like them. Bigger canvas to work on. I love the colours, I love the design. Yes, I'm blowing my own trumpet again. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget to go and check out my Amazon storefront. I'm slowly starting to fill it with all sorts of goodies. The Kredioo store and stuff that I use from Kredioo will all be there as well. My discount code and everything will be below. Yeah, that is it. Please give the video a quick thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.